Welcome back to our new video, that is MCQs on air microbiology, and this is the part 2 of this series of videos on air microbiology. Okay, so the first question is, which of the following pathogens can be isolated from hospital air? And the options are Haemophilus influenzae or Streptococcus pneumoniae or Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So all of these microorganisms, that means all of these pathogens, can be isolated from hospital air. Okay, so move on to the next question. It is, generally the cyst, a resting form of bacteria, is produced by Azotobacter species, E. coli, Aerobacter aerogenes, or tubercle, tubercle bacilli. And the right answer is option A, that is Azotobacter species. And so generally the cyst, a resting form of bacteria, is produced by Azotobacter species. Okay, so move on to the next question, that is, which of the following are airborne viral diseases? And the options are influenza, measles and mumps, foot and mouth disease, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So this influenza, measles and mumps and foot and mouth diseases are airborne viral diseases. Okay, so आइए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है. So next question is, which of the following are airborne bacterial diseases? So the options are scarlet fever, whooping cough and diphtheria, tuberculosis, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, it is all of the above. So scarlet fever, whooping cough and diphtheria and tuberculosis all are airborne bacterial diseases. Okay, so next question देखेंगे. So next question is, bacteriological examination of air is essential in which of the following conditions? And the options are surgical operation theater, premises where pharmaceutical preparation are made, option C, in hospital wards in which there is an outbreak of cross infection, and option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So all of these options is correct. So bacteriological examinations of air is essential in all of these conditions. Okay, so move on to the next question, that is, which of the following airborne protozoa cause pneumonia? So the options are S. aureus or Staphylococcus aureus or Pneumocystis carni or Entamoeba histolytica, or all of the above. And the right answer is option B, that is Pneumocystis carni. So Pneumocystis carni, that is a airborne protozoa which cause pneumonia. Okay, so the next question is, select the important greenhouse gases in atmosphere. And the options are water vapor, methane, ozone, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, it is all of the above. So this water vapor, methane, ozone, all are important greenhouse gases in atmosphere. So next question is, in air, which of the following device is used for the enumeration of bacteria? And the options are Anderson air sampler, capillary imaginer, or lemon sampler, or all of the above. And the right answer is option B, that is capillary imaginer is the right answer. So in air, capillary imaginer is the device which is used for the enumeration of bacteria. So move on to the next question, that is, select the important greenhouse gases in atmosphere. And the options are carbon dioxide or chlorofluorocarbons or perfluorocarbons, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, it is all of the above. So this carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons and perfluorocarbons are important gases, greenhouse gases in atmosphere. Okay, so next question क्या है? Next है, which of the following method can be used for sampling air? And the options are filtration method, sedimentation method, or impact method, or all of the above? And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So all of these methods are used for sampling air. Okay, so that are filtration method, sedimentation method, and impact method. So move on to the next question. So next question is, which of the following can be used as indicator organism of air pollution? So the options are Pseudomonas fluorescens or hemolytic staphylococci, or both A and B, or option D, E. coli. And the right answer is option C, that is both A and B, that is Pseudomonas fluorescens or hemolytic staphylococci are the correct answer, which can be used as indicator organism of air pollution. Okay, so move on to the next question, that is, find organic or inorganic particles suspended in air is called particulate pollutants, or aerosols, or gaseous pollutants, or none of the above. And the right answer is option B, that is aerosols. So aerosol are the organic or inorganic particles suspended in air. Okay, so move on to the next question, that is, HEPA filters can remove particles as small as 0.3 micrometer, or 0.001 micrometer, 0.003 micrometer, or 0.002 micrometer. And the right answer is option A, that is 0.3 micrometer. So HEPA filter can remove particles as small as 0.3 micrometer. So next is, which of the physical features of air affects microbial life? And the options are air density, air pressure, air temperature, all of the above. And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above, which these physical features of air affects microbial life, and that are the physical features are air density, air pressure, air temperature. Okay, so next one is, which of the following chemical is highest volume of air? And the options are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, or all are equal in volume. And the right answer is option A, that is nitrogen. So nitrogen is the highest volume chemical which is present in air. Okay, so the next one is, which of the following chemical is second highest volume of air? And the options are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, or neon. And the right answer is option B, that is oxygen. So oxygen is the second highest volume chemical which is present in air. So the next one is, air particles are major cause of allergies, asthma, pathogenic infection of respiratory tracts, or all of the above. And the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So air particles are major cause of allergies, asthma, and pathogenic infections of respiratory tracts. Okay, so the next one is, the viability of droplet nuclei relies mostly on humidity, sunlight, moisture, or all of the above. And the right one is option D, that is all of the above. So the viability of droplet nuclei relies mostly on humidity, sunlight, moisture. Okay, so the next one is, airborne disease can be caused by the following, that is viruses, bacteria, or fungi, only bacteria, as usually viruses, or only fungi. And the right answer is option A, that is viruses, bacteria, and fungi all can cause airborne diseases. Okay, so the last question of this video is, which of the following correctly explains the droplet and microbial load released? And the options are laser droplet or aerosols released during coughing, and the next option is higher droplets or aerosol released during sneezing, or both A and B are correct, or neither A nor B. And the right answer is option C, that is both A and B are correct. So the correct explanation about the droplet and microbial load release is laser droplet or aerosol released during coughing, and higher droplets or aerosol released during sneezing. Okay, so these are all 20 questions of this video on air microbiology. So thank you for watching this video.